Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a new video, that is doll cake without using doll tin and without oven. So let's get into the video. And price of the doll cake I'll mention at the end of the video. We'll beat the whipping cream. Here I've taken 1 cup of whipping cream. First you need to beat the whipping cream on low speed. After 1 minute, you need to beat the whipping cream on high speed. So here you can see the peak consistency. Here I have baked 1 kg chocolate sponge cake. One tin is of 5 inch and the other tin is of 6 inch. And for the chocolate sponge cake, I'll give the link in the description box, you can check from there. Here I've sliced the cake. So as it is a chocolate doll cake, we are going to prepare a chocolate flavor whipping cream. For that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate ganache. I have already shown a chocolate cake. In that I have shown how to prepare a chocolate ganache. I'll give the link in the description box, you can check from there. So beat the whipping cream. Apply some whipping cream on the cake board. Now place 1 slice of cake on top of it. Then apply some sugar syrup. Followed by a whipping cream. Then add some chocolate chip. Either you can add choco chip or you can add a grated chocolate. Then place another slice of cake on top of it. Apply some sugar syrup. Then a whipping cream. And continue the same process for the rest of the cake slice. So this is the last slice. Now cover the cake with the whipping cream, but you have to do a crumb coat for this and keep it in the fridge for half an hour. After finishing off the crumb coat, I have kept the cake in the fridge for half an hour. Later my customer said they need a pink color, so I have to remove excess cream from the cake and apply some white normal whipping cream, and I have colored it with the pink color. So at this stage I have kept the cake in the fridge for half an hour. So later I started to beat the whipping cream. Here I've taken half cup of whipping cream just to cover the cake. Here you can see it done. Here I have removed excess cream from the cake and applied the whipping cream, that is normal whipping cream without any flavor. Then I have inserted the doll. It's better to have this kind of doll. If you don't have this, you can use a normal Barbie doll. Now it's time to give the shape to the doll. First you need to slice this 4 sides of the cake, that is on top of the cake, just as shown in the video. This is the easiest way to give the shape for the doll cake. Now cover the cake with the whipping cream. Now smooth out the cake. I have used this nozzle to cover the top part of the doll. Now I'm using a pink color. Mix well. Now fill the piping bag. I've used 1mm nozzle to give the rosette design for the doll. give the same design as shown in the video. So this is done. Next, I'm using the same nozzle which I have used on the top of the doll. To just give a small design in between the roses. So after this, I have a pink and white pearl. So I'll be adding that to the doll. Next, I'm going to use a gold ball. This is an edible ball. And the price of this doll cake is 900 rupees. That is my price. Even you can sell it for 1000 rupees as well. So this is like 1 kg doll cake. You can charge 900 to 1000 rupees.